All right, in today's lesson, you're going to be learning about something called headers and footers. Um, this will be a downloaded file. So remember what we talked about. When you download the file, download it to a location where you can find it. Preferably your Huebner folder would be a good place. The file's already got a name, so we're going to leave that alone and click Save. Now remember, when we work on these, you download it, you open it, you make your changes to it according to the video. Remember to save your changes, and then you're going to go ahead and submit it. All right, we've got a document here that is, it's like a little report. It has, goes on to like 4 pages. You'll be learning how to type these a little bit later in the year. But what we want to focus on with this document is learning how to put in a header and a footer. They're used a lot with reports for titles and also page numbering. Headers are going to appear at the top of a page. Footers appear at the bottom of the page. Okay, that's one of the main things you need to remember. All right, the first thing we're going to do is we're going to put a header in that'll just simply be your name. So after you've got this document opened, you're going to go to Insert. Okay, click your Insert button or tab up here, and you're going to click here where it says Header, and I want you to simply choose the blank header, the very first one. Okay, and you're just simply going to type in your first name, first and last name. Okay, make sure you capitalize it. It is a proper noun. Now, what I want you to notice about headers is this. Whenever you put a header in, it's going to appear on every page. That's one of the unique things about a header. Now, to get this line to go away, you can just double click underneath it and it'll go away. And you'll notice that the headers are usually just grayed out slightly. But that's what you should have so far. When you scroll down, you should see your first and last name at the upper left of the page. Okay, that's all there is to a header. Now, if this document was 100 pages, it would still have the name at the top of every page. Now, the next thing we're going to do is page numbering. Let's go back to our Insert tab. And if you'll come over here and find where it says Page Number, click, and I want you to choose the second one, which is the bottom of the page. And I want you to pick for this one, so it'll put it in the center of the page. You're going to pick plain number 2. Now, this is a little bit different in that it puts a special, what we call a page numbering code into the page. So it's not going to say 1 on every page, but instead what it does is it has a little special programming so that it will actually number each page individually, and I'll show you what that means in a minute. And once again, to get rid of this line, just go above it and double click. But let's scroll down now. You'll see page 1, you'll see the 1. Page 2 has got the 2, because it put that code in there. We didn't just type the number. If we just typed the number in, then every page would look like number 1, but that's why we went to Insert and we use this special code. So for this gives you a little bit of experience with headers and footers. Remember, the header is at the top of the page. Footer, we happen to be putting in a page number, and we put the little code in there so it'll automatically number our pages. So that's all there is to this file. All right, we've made some changes to it, so we're going to click here, and we're going to click Save. because the computer knows we've added to it. It's already named, so it's good. And we're going to submit it. Choose File. Remember, the name of the file is header footer. Let's just go to our Huebner folder. Header footer, submit assignment, and you'll get the turned in. Okay, so that's all you need to do for this one. Shouldn't take you very long, and then you'll be finished. So go ahead and get started on that. Bye.